I am going to be trying out the new Distress White Heavystock from Tim Holtz. I recently got it and I wanted to create a quick mixed media tag. I cut out a tag using the stacked tags from Sizzix. They are a Thinlits set from Tim Holtz. I sprayed some twisted citron and peacock feathers in Distress spray stain onto my Easy Clean mat. I smushed the tag into the color and spritzed the tag with a little bit of water to help that color move around. I am going to take the tag and smush it back into that same color. I added a little bit of water to the tag just to help that color move around a little bit more again. Now I am going to take twisted citron and add some splatters to the tag. I love adding splatters because it gives a lot of interest to a project. I am now adding a little bit more of the peacock feathers just to darken it up a little bit. I am just going to move the tag back and forth to help that color move around. I am going to spritz some water in my hand and sprinkle it on the tag. This is going to give a really cool distress look, and I'm picking up the water droplets with a paper towel. I'm now taking a damp paper towel to lift up some of that ink. It's going to give a really cool ghosting effect to the tag, and it adds a lot of interest and depth to the project. I am now going to take some Tim Holtz stamps and add some stamping around the tag. This is going to give a lot of interest. I am using permanent black ink from Altenew. This is very important because I'm going to add some splatters later on and I do not want the stamped images to bleed. After I get all of the texture stamping done, I am going to add my focal point. This is a stamp from the Specimen stamp set from Tim Holtz. I am using my stamp platform so that I can stamp the bug a few times to make sure that I get a nice crisp image. I am doing a little bit more stamping. As you can tell, I absolutely love stamping, and I will have all of the supplies I am using in the description box so you guys can check it out if you are wanting any of the products I am using, but I highly recommend you pull out supplies that you already have. I am adding more layers to the tag by using some stencils and some black ink. I only ink blend the design in a few different areas. I don't want to add it all over the tag. I am using the gloss spray from Dina Wakley in white to add splatters to the tag. I absolutely love the gloss spray from Dina Wakley. It sits right on top of any surface and it creates the perfect splatters for any project. I am taking a brayer and some white acrylic paint. I am adding just a little bit of the paint on the edges and make everything flow really nicely together. I think it adds a lot of texture and interest to the project as well. As you saw in the video, I love using stamps in my mixed media projects. So I created an amazing video where I share creative ways to use your stamp stash in mixed media projects. If you found value in this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up, and I want to thank you so much for watching, and I will catch you later. Bye!